Assalamu alaikum. I am Ansari Safia from Department of Physics, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for. Dear student, today we have to study condition for maxima and minima. If the derivative of function is 0 at some point, then the function is said to have a stationary point there. On graph, these points corresponds to tangent at that point. Stationary points are divided into three categories. First point is maxima, second is minima, and third point is point of inflection. Now in graph, point B is said to be a minimum since function increases in both directions away from it. Point Q is said to be a maximum since the function decreases in both directions away from it. Third stationary point is point of inflection S. In this case, function falls in positive x direction and rises in negative x direction. So, S is neither maximum nor minimum. It is possible to describe and distinguish stationary points mathematically. Now, from their definition, as a point of zero gradient, all the stationary points are characterized by df by dx is equal to 0. In case of minimum, point B, slope, that is df by dx, changes from negative a to positive c through 0 at B. Thus, df by dx is increasing, and so the second derivative d square f by dx square must be positive. Similarly, at the maximum point Q, we must have d square f by dx square negative. For point S, d square f by dx square is equal to 0, and this may be inferred from following observation. To the left of S, the curve is concave upward, so that df by dx is increasing, and hence d square f by dx square greater than 0. To the right of S, the curve is concave downwards, so that df by dx is decreasing, and hence d square f by dx square less than 0. And this can be summarized as follows. At stationary point, df by dx is equal to 0, and for a minimum, d square f by dx square is greater than 0. For a maximum, d square f by dx square less than 0, and for a stationary point of inflection, d square f by dx square is equal to 0, and d square f by dx square changes sign through the point. Now consider the stationary points of a function of more than one variable. For function of two variable, the necessary condition for a stationary point is curly f by curly x is equal to 0 and curly f by curly y is equal to 0. All stationary points have f of x is equal to f of y is equal to 0, and these are classified further as minimum if f square xy is less than f of xx, f of yy, where f of xx is positive and f of yy is also positive. For maxima, if f square xy is less than f of xx, f of yy, then f of xx is negative and f of yy is also negative. Saddle point, if f square xy is greater than f of xx, f of yy. Now thank you.